For this, Lorenzo, what's up? Goddamn right I'm strong, man. This is what we do for a living, baby. It's a lifestyle for me. You just playing around, man. We do this day in, day out, baby. If I create space between my head and yours, man, you're going to get crammed out. You're going to delete your whole Instagram. You know what I'm saying? Don't play with me. We do this day in, day out, baby. All head. Yeah. Instagram.
Please subscribe.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave Natch and I speak stocks. Today is Sunday, March 27th. Welcome back to another episode of Sunday Stock List. In today's video, I'll show you how I made back my 10 grand that I lost last year. Go back to my December video on how I lost 10 grand in the stock market. I won't show you how, but I'll show you how much I saved for 3 months. 1 week less, 3 months. So my goal in January was to save back that 10 grand. I have exceeded 10 grand in almost 3 months, not even 3 months, 1 week shy of 3 months. Let me cut the blatherskite and get into the plays. In today's video, I have one play. You got to watch the end of the video to see how much cash I accumulated. I have 2 stocks to put on stock this coming week. Let's jump right into it. The first one is SWN. SWN closed up 15% on Friday. This is in the oil and gas sector out of Texas. The company came out with news. They'll be exporting natural gas to Europe. Go ahead and read the news on your own time. The stock closed at $6.88. The high of the day in $6.95. That's a brand new 52-week high. SWN. This one is heading back to their 5-year high. Okay. The volume on Friday for SWN was 80 million shares exchanged hands, compared to their average volume of 26 million. Let's get the tires. They were a market cap of 6.42 billion. They have 1 billion in the float. 1% of the float are held by insiders. 87% of the float are held by institutions. Let me repeat that. 87% of the float are held by institution, and short as 10% of the float. This is SWN stock I want you to put on stock for an opportunity this week. Just wait for a pullback. Okay, let's continue. Their operating margin is a positive 4.29%. Their ROA, return on asset, is a positive 2.10%. They have 6.7 billion in revenues. Their revenue per share 8.44. Their quarterly revenue growth is up 278% year over year. Their gross profit 4 billion. Let me repeat that. They have 4 billion in gross profit. Their EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, is 832 million. 832 million. They have 28 million in total cash and a total debt of 5.6 billion. They have to work on their debt load here. Their current ratio is sitting below par. Their current ratio is sitting at 0.46 SWN. However, their operating cash flow is a positive 1.36 billion. 1.36 billion operating cash flow. Their leverage free cash flow is a positive, get this, 750 million. Let me say that one more time. Their leverage free cash flow is a positive 750 million SWN. Please sit tight for stock number 2 to put on stock this coming week.
Do remember, if you wish to open a trading account, check out my Webull link below. You'll get 15 free stocks. Minimum deposit required is $100. Also, pre-market hours trading starts at 4 a.m. sharp. 4 a.m. sharp with Webull. Webull, only the way to go. Pre-market hours trading is very risky. It's not for the risk averse.
Please hammer like, Please subscribe to the channel. Around here we find supernova movers early. Dave's Play is the place to be. The purpose of the stock list is for you to do your due diligence on the companies, check out their historicals, check out the CEO, wait for an opportunity to pounce, wait for a pullback, and also add it to your trading platform on your watch list. Stock number 2 is FLNG. They closed up 10% on Friday at $28.77. This one is in the oil and gas sector as well, out of Bermuda. Okay, the high of day on Friday, $29.34. That's a new 52-week high. The volume on Friday, 1.6 million compared to the average volume of 500,000. Okay, let's get the tires. FLNG wears a market cap of 1.3 billion. They have 28 million in the float. 48% of the float are insiders. 23% of the float are institution, and shorts has 2% of the float. Their profit margin is a positive 47%. Listen up carefully to these numbers. Their operating margin is a positive 59%. Their ROA, return on asset, is a positive 5%. ROA and ROE is interest the company is making on their money, on their investment. Okay, so their ROA 5%, their ROE a positive 19%. ROE, return on equity, 19%. Okay, they have 343 million in revenues. Their revenue per share is 6.44. This is FLNG stock I want you to put in stock this coming week. Let's continue. Their quarterly revenue growth is up 70% year over year, 70% year over year. Their gross profit is 279 million. Let me say that one more time. Their gross profit is 279 million. Their EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, is a positive 265 million. Their net income, 162 million. Their EPS, earnings per share, 3.04. This is FLNG. Their quarterly earnings growth is a positive 169% year over year. Let me repeat that one more time. Their quarterly earnings growth is a positive 169% year over year. They have 201 million in total cash and 1.6 billion in total debt. Their current ratio is sitting at 1.71. Their operating cash flow is a positive 215 million. FLNG. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Look out for my video tomorrow, Dave's Play, Money Making Mondays. Okay, don't forget to set your notification. Okay, I upload between 7 a.m. and 8:30 a.m. Okay, take care of yourself, enjoy the rest of your Sunday, and I'll see you tomorrow with the plays. Dave Natch, I'm out. Boom, bam. Make your next trade your best trade. That's why I always stress, do not trade more than you're willing to lose. This one was a total loss. MDLM. CLVR. CLVR is an earnings winner. The company came out with earnings and their revenue increased 25%. Go ahead and read up the earnings on your own time, your own term. The stock is at $2.20 thus far in the pre-markets. The high of day is $2.42. CLVR. If this one retracts below 201, this might be a no-go. The stock closed up 27% yesterday at 158, so just be careful at this juncture. Let's get the tires. They were a market cap.
I thank you for watching. Dave Natch, I'm out.